Hamjambo, hamjambo tena wanafunzi wangu. Siku njema ya leo, nasema karibuni tena kwa kipindi kingine cha Let's Learn Swahili. Tujifunze Kiswahili na mwalimu Rose. Leo tunaenda kuzungumzia ama kujifunza kuhusu sehemu za mwili. Today we're going to be learning about parts of the body, translating them from English to Swahili. We're just going to do 5, and the rest you can pick any part of the body and ask at the comment section, and I'll translate it for you. Then we proceed on the next episode we shall be looking at the remaining parts. Karibuni sana. Leo tunaenda tuanze na let's start with the senses, right? So tuanze na eye. Eye kwa Kiswahili means jicho. Jicho. Eye, it's one. Swahili jicho means moja, jicho. Jicho. Ear, it's one, ear. So in Swahili, sikio. 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 Then we're going to be looking at the tongue. Tongue. Ulimi. Then we have nose. Pua. And we have the teeth. That is meno. Because teeth, its plural form, in Swahili when it is in plural is meno. But when it is one tooth, in Swahili it is jino. Jino. Thank you. Let's proceed to the next. Let me write them down for you.